I will be sharing with you on the installation of the quick release skewer into the wheel. First, you do take note that the quick release skewer is nothing just than a lever, axle that has 2 springs, and a nut. Prior to the installation process, you must first determine the direction of the wheel with respect to the tire. This can be determined by looking at the treading of the tires. If the tread of the tires are pointing this way, meaning upwards, forward, then always install the leverage end to the left side of the wheel. I will now screw out. Ensure that there's a spring there. Insert it into the wheel, the lever end, and then at the other side, put the spring back in, followed by the nut, and lock it in. After which, you are good to go to mount up to your bicycle.